Happy first birthday to my channel here on YouTube. In celebration, I thought I would share a little bit of my journey with you, how I got here, what 2024 has in store, and what kind of financial doors this dream has opened. Stillwater's Wreath designs actually started in our basement on a single 6-foot table in November of 2020, smack dab in the middle of the pandemic. I've had so many of you guys ask me if I'm a teacher by trade. Nope, I actually work in corporate talent acquisition. And so during the pandemic, hiring was basically non existent, and I needed something to do to keep myself busy. So, my love of crafting led me to that 6-foot table in our basement, and I just started creating. I got pretty good at making wreaths and decided to start selling them. At first, I just sold my creations to my friends and family. Then, I started selling things on social media. And a few months later, I decided to open an Etsy shop. Dreams have a way of evolving, and in January 2023, with basically no idea on what I was doing, I decided to start a DIY YouTube channel. That first wreath tutorial was grainy with horrible camera angles, which of course I didn't realize that at the time, but I posted it with blind faith and more excitement than I could contain. I remember watching the analytics on that first video, excited for every single view, every single new subscriber. I couldn't hardly believe it, and honestly, you guys, sometimes I still can't. I began posting DIY wreath tutorials regularly, and throughout the year, my quality got better, my videos weren't grainy anymore, I learned the art of editing, which is no small feat for a nearly 50-year-old, and I got comfortable talking on the camera. Last summer, I realized that my small little YouTube channel meant so much more to me than I ever thought it could. You guys, this isn't just a YouTube channel. It's a community of wreath makers and DIY crafters, and we've built this together. So let's talk about numbers. I know that I have several subscribers here who are also new DIY YouTubers, or maybe who are aspiring to be, and maybe you aren't feeling so sure of yourself. Let me tell you, friend, I get it. YouTube can be intimidating. Figuring out how to video, how to edit, how to post, all the things, it is overwhelming. If that's you, stick around to the end of this video. I've got a helpful resource for you. You can do it. So let me share these numbers with you, and hopefully they'll inspire you. Remember, a year ago today, every single one of these numbers for me was a big fat zero. I gained 9,463 subscribers, 43,222 watch hours, 429,178 views, and YouTube paid me $3,673.40. Now, keep in mind, even though I began my channel in January, I didn't actually get monetized until Memorial Day, and your payments are always 1 month behind. One more thing, remember I didn't upload much of anything after Thanksgiving due to an injury. So that $3,673 is not too shabby. So that brings us to 2024. You guys, this is truly going to be a new chapter for me. My hubby and I are new empty nesters, so we've got a lot of newfound freedom and flexibility in our life. And I recently learned that my daytime job is going to be coming to an end during the middle of this year. So I've got lots of opportunity in front of me, and I am ready to just pour myself into my channel, into my brand, and most importantly, this amazing community that we've all built together. So, of course, throughout 2024, you'll continue to see brand new tutorials uploading every single week. And I've got 2 new things that I want to introduce here on the Stillwaters channel. First, we're going to start holding quarterly question and answer times. This will be a time where you can send questions to me about wreath design, wreath tools, YouTube channel creation, all the business things, basically any question that you would like about the channel, on the creative side and the business side. And then I'm just going to answer those questions during a live and share that information with you. And the second thing that we'll be launching this year, I'm so stinking excited about this. We're also going to launch quarterly wreath maker tools and resources. With that being said, I'm so excited to share with you our first quarter Wreath Makers tool and resource, which is the 2024 Wreath Makers Design Planner. You guys, if you are currently trying to grow your wreath making business, this is something that will be a great resource for your toolbox. It's a 33-page planner designed by me. It's an instant download so that you can take a look at that electronically or you can print it out. It's going to include month by month, make it and market it schedules so that you know what to be making, when to be making it, and when to start promoting it. There's month by month planning and goal reviews. There's a list of wreath making suppliers, tools, and shipping suppliers. I've created something called the Wreath Selling Roadmap, which really helps you to launch your wreaths in all different types of arenas. And there's a bonus section, which is the YouTube DIY channel Quick Start Guide. I've had several people ask me about that, and it was just time to create that resource for you. I'm going to leave that link for you below. You guys, I just want to take a quick moment and say thank you for spending time with me throughout the last year whenever you joined me here on my YouTube journey. It's been a year of surprises and changes and opportunities. There's been some setbacks and some overcoming of challenges. I am so stinking excited for 2024 and all the changes that it's going to bring for me, the Stillwaters channel, and our wreath making community. I can't wait to share 2024 with you and see what this year has in store for us. Thanks for spending time with me today, friends. As always, happy crafting!